Svíčková. If you've ever been to the Czech Republic, you know what it is. It's beef tenderloin in a vegetable cream sauce, and it is like a national treasure. It's so good.
And today, we're southwestifying it.
That's right. It's going to be a food fusion. And stay tuned. And after we cook it, we are going to have some helpful hints, right?
Yep, and we're also having taste testing.
Ah, yes, the Americans cook Czech taste testers. So let's get cooking.
Here's our ingredients. We're going to be making a Southwest red sauce.
Yep.
So we've got our red peppers and our sour cream and lime.
Cilantro. Yeah.
Cilantro.
Very Southwestern flavors, but we're going to lard the meat, which is that's a Czech thing. And stay tuned. We have a special take on the garnish too. So this is red onion. So we like red onions. They add a little extra zest to the flavor.
Yep. And here I'm trying to de-seed the peppers.
Yes.
But it's really hard.
And why are you wearing the gloves?
Because you don't want any of those oils to get in your face, because it will really hurt.
Yep. And then I was browning the peppers to give it a smoky flavor. And I have just given up on larding needles. I have never gotten it to work successfully. So there we go, using a knife.
And you're forcing the lard in.
Yes. Any way you can get it in. And there's seasoning. That's pepper. Yep.
And then some salt.
Yep. Just seasoning the meat and then browning it.
Yes. And then we're putting our onions in with that lard.
Yep. And the onions are going to give that red sauce a nice Southwestern flavor along with the garlic.
Yep. And we're just
sauteing. Yeah.
Sauteing.
Until they're nice and golden. And then here's the peppers that you did. And they're in the broth with the meat and the onions. It's all in there.
Then add a little lime juice.
Yep, and we put in marjoram too. So Czech flavor along with the Southwestern flavors. Lime and chili is a very, very common flavor combination. And there it is after cooking.
It looks gorgeous.
Yep, we take the meat out and now we're going to puree the peppers. So it thickens up when those peppers are pureed.
Yep.
And then we put in sour cream. Yep, to mellow the flavors. That really, really makes it taste nice.
Yep.
And then we garnish it. Oh, there's our special garnish. Look, it's a lime, not a lemon. And
with
it's
sour cream instead of whipped cream.
And cilantro.
Instead of cranberries. And here's our taste testers.
They are ready. Look at that. Okay. They're digging in. Leah's got the first bite. Noah's getting plenty of sauce. A little bit of sauce drippage there. He's looking like he's not happy. So I was not really surprised about the taste tester outcome, were you?
Nope.
No, Noah doesn't really like spicy food that much, so that's kind of what we would expect it. So now for some hints. If you want to make this yourself, down in the comments or the video description below, you can find the recipe that we used. And here's the hints. Number one, use the most marbled piece of meat that you can find. The one that we had wasn't exactly as marbled as we would have liked, but that's what they had at the store. So hold out for the marbled meat.
The second helpful tip is use lots of lime.
Yeah, don't skimp on the lime. The lime really adds a lot of flavor, doesn't it?
It does.
And the next tip is the larding needle is really sharp. In fact, both times I've used that larding needle, I've managed to poke myself. So if you do use a larding needle, be very careful. If you liked what you saw, go ahead and click the subscribe and notify buttons, and then you won't miss a single episode of Americans Cook Czech.
Also consider leaving us a comment in the comment section. We would love to hear from you.
Yes, and we'll probably even write back. I'm Doug.
And I'm Sarah. And until next time,
Dobru Hoot. Svíčková.